Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan. So let's see, Aries. What is up? What's coming to you ngayong June 2024? Okay. For Aries, so titignan natin energies ng iyong love life, money, career, finances, overall energy. Okay, bottom of the deck, the world. Wow. So this is about completion, success. So maaring meron kang makukumpletong goal, may magiging successful ka na project ngayong June. This is also about rewards. So yung mga efforts na ibinigay mo ng mga nakaraang buwan, no? Ito ay mabibigyan na ng rewards. Some of you may opportunity sa ibang bansa. Okay. So, overall energy, the 10 of Cups, happiness. Oh, ayan. Merong prosperity, contentment. This is also fortune after difficulty. So, kung kayo ay medyo naging challenging ang ibang buwan sa inyo, no? Or last month. Pagdating ng June, things are going to be better. So, maaring you will have more time together with your family, going out, having fun. May mga activities kayo together with your family. Ayan. And then your challenge is the Knight of Cups. So, maaring meron kang gustong ipahiwatig na feelings, no? Na pwedeng mag-aalinlangan ka na i-express. So, this can be a romantic person na connected sa'yo, or this can be reversal. Merong person na hindi makapag-express ng feelings niya towards you. So, let's see your opportunity. You have judgment, which is acceptance, awakening, no? So, this is reinvention of yourself. I think meron kang actually matagal na itong nangyayari, no? Yung proseso ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. You are really putting a lot of effort, energy, ayan, sa pagbabago na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. This can mean, sa iyong physical appearance, sa iyong mindset, pananaw mo sa buhay, your career, your relationship. So, you have a lot of understanding na ngayon. At yung mga natutunan mo in the past, yun ay tumutulong sa'yo para magbago ka for a better version of yourself. Yes. And then your blessing is the 4 of Wands, which is about stability, no? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga major accomplishments sa inyong bahay, sa tahanan nyo, or sa, let's say, makakabili ka ng bahay, or meron kang renovation na gagawin. This is also about freedom. So, some of you, maaring you will have your own space. Na tipong bubukod ka na, no? Aalis ka na sa poder ng mga magulang mo. Or, mas gugustuhin mong mamuhay on your own. Or yung family mo, no? Yung asawa mo, mga anak mo, bubukod na para magkaroon kayo ng kalayaan na magawa yung gusto nyo. Ayan. And there's also creativity. So, maaring you are going to awaken your creativity. Yan. Baka meron ka mga projects na marirealize mo na, okay, pala ako, creative pala ako, and I have to develop that, no? So, meron kang mga i-develop pang creative things in your life. Sa money, career, finances, we have the Lovers, 8 of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So, talagang ano to ha, commitment, no? There is good news coming in. Kayo ay magkakaroon ng commitment pagdating sa trabaho. Maaring papasok kayo sa bagong career or business venture. Six of Pentacles, this is about receiving money. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong marireceive na pera, no, ngayong June, na tulong ito or pwede itong assistance sa'yo, lalo na kung magsisimula ka ng negosyo or business partnership. Pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na ambag galing sa business partner mo. Meron din good news, so pwedeng merong magandang balita pagdating sa work abroad or dun sa mga ina-applyan mo. Maaring merong contract signing din. And some of you, maaring meron kayong malaking pagdidesisyonan pagdating sa trabaho ninyo or sa career ninyo. That's why meron ditong opportunity to make some changes or to transform your situation, especially sa iyong money, sa iyong career, sa iyong finances. Ayan. So, pagdating naman sa iyong love life, you have the Hanged Man, the Six of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Okay, may magbabalik, oh. Ito yung person na umalis sa buhay mo. Yung iba sa inyo, ginost kayo ng person na to, biglang hindi na mahagilap. The subscriber cannot be reached. Parang binitin ka ng person na to. Tapos hindi mo alam kung ano ba. May interest ba to sa'yo? Gusto ka pa ba niya? 'Di ba? Actually, for me lang to sa akin lang 'yan. Kapag ginost ka na ng isang tao, ibig sabihin niyan, this person doesn't want to connect with you anymore. Oo, lalo na kung matagal na masyado, na parang, 'di ba? Kung hindi man niya gusto yung ginagawa niya, at least meron siya mapagsasabihan na, "Oy, there's something wrong. May nangyayari na hindi ko kontrolado, kaya hindi kita makontak or hindi kita kinakausap," things like that. But for some of you, maaring may makikipag-ayos isang tao na umiwas sa'yo before or umalis sa buhay mo. And I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng pinag-iisipan nyo pa rin or pag-iisipan nyo pa rin kung tatanggapin nyo itong taong to. Siyempre, kapag ang hirap niya, no, mag-decide kasi kung umalis na yan sa buhay mo tapos biglang babalik, parang anong gagawin nyo ngayon, 'di ba? Anong gagawin mo? Depende na yan sa dahilan niya. Kaya lang, ewan ko, pag-isipan nyo maigi. Kaya nga iba talaga hindi kayo ganon kasigurado. You are trying to see what's best for you. Depende kung gaano katagal to na nawala sa buhay mo. You have rainbow. Ayan. There's a rainbow always after the rain. And rainbow, it represents abundance. Okay? New opportunities coming in. Renewed optimism after trial. Kung meron kayong mga naging challenges in the past. So, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, no? Fortune after difficulty. So, June is going to be a better month para sa inyo, Aries. You have the Elephant. So, Elephant, this is about complexity, no? Maaring may mga complicated situation kayo na you will deal with ngayong June. Okay? But, this is an earth element. So, I think, magagawa nyo ng paraan yan by being practical. Okay? So, some of you naman, maaring mas meron kayong aayusin sa inyong physical appearance. You want to be more presentable ngayong June. Let's see what else. You have the ladybug. Ang ladybug, diba, it symbolizes good fortune din. And it also means miracle. So, merong mga milagro. Parang, pag sinabi mong milagro, parang ang nega ng connotation, no? But, this is about miracles that will happen to you ngayong June, mga bagay na hindi mo akalain na makukuha mo because there is a divine assistance na ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Parang pag inisip mo, uy, ang hirap mangyari niyan, pero mangyayari siya kasi there's a miracle. Let's see what else for you, Aries. You are freeing yourself. Ayan. If beating yourself up work would be thin, rich, and happy, try loving yourself instead. Yes, you will love yourself. Speak up. If you avoid conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. Yes. So, I feel like, isa to sa magpapalaya sa'yo, yung kaya mong ma-express yung gusto mong sabihin ng hindi ka natatakot. Kasi alam mo yun yung totoo. Change course o may pagbabago sa direksyon na gusto mong tahakin. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. Yes. So alam mo kung kailan ka magbabago ng direction na tatahakin. Lalo na kung yung mga pinipilit mong mangyari is hindi nagwo-work for you. Maybe it is a sign for you to move to a new direction kasi baka dun ka magiging maswerte. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!